Hello everyone, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because I really want to hit 100k by the end of this year, and for that I will need your help. So what you're gonna do is just hit the red subscribe button. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. So in today's video, I will be talking about one of my favorite makeup products, and I think you guys must have guessed it already because I talk about this so much on my channel because I just genuinely love this product so much. And this product is loved internationally by so many people. It is loved by Tati and even Jeffree Star. So the product I'm going to talk about today is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. If you literally search for Himadri Patel Lash Paradise on YouTube, you can get a long list of videos where I have used this product, and I keep reaching out for this again and again because this is absolutely a must-have for me. So today I want to talk about its features and why I love this product. So first things first, the wavy fibers of this brush are soft and flexible, and it is perfect for adding volume to your lashes. You can see how easily this mascara can be applied, and in the first coat itself you can see a drastic difference, and it does not look clumpy, flaky whatsoever. And every lash is coated evenly. You can see my right eye looks so much fluttery in comparison to my left eye. The wow factor of this mascara is its hourglass shaped brush, which makes it hold more formula than a straight bristle. I'm just gonna apply one coat of mascara on my left eye so my eyes look wide awake and big. This brush has more than 200 bristles, which is amazing because other brand mascaras have bristles around 100, which is not enough to achieve that dramatic look. So the texture of this product is very creamy and balmy because it has caring ingredients like castor oil, rose oil and cornflower extract, where castor oil hydrates your lashes, rose oil being rich in fatty acids boosts the growth of your own lashes, and cornflower extract softens your lashes to give them a healthy look. One thing I forgot to mention is that this mascara is waterproof. It does not smudge or clump, and trust me when I say it is smudge proof because it does not move anywhere once it is settled, because I have literally worn this mascara for more than 12 hours for my shoots and it just looks as it is. In a beautiful pink luxurious packaging. As you all know, pink is my favorite color, and no kidding at all, I literally kept this on my vanity because it looks really pretty. I'm not bragging here, it's just that I genuinely love this product so much that I cannot stop talking about this product, and I really want you guys to try it out because it's totally worth it. I'm pretty sure after all this you must be wondering what is the price of this. So this retails for $7.99 for 7.6 ml, which I think is decently priced for such a beautiful product. If you're looking for a new mascara, I urge you all to check out this product because I am sure that you won't regret it. In case you want to check out this product, I will leave a link in the description box below. And that's it everybody. I hope I covered every doubt in this video, but still if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I would be more than happy to help you all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Mwah.